Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. As you may know, I am not a coffee drinker. Everyone wants to know, Eitan, where to get your energy from? Do you drink tons of caffeine? Are you on drugs? The answer is I'm not. I am just high on life. But I decided I want to stop being the person at the coffee shop who orders lemonade. I'm done with that era. I want to at least try to like coffee. So today I'm attempting to make every coffee that I know that exists. See, can I actually make them? And do I enjoy drinking them? Let's get brewing. First up, I'm making Dalgona Coffee, famous from TikTok. Well, actually it's from South Korea. We are going to start by whipping up 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Whip it up until it's light and fluffy. Pour yourself a glass of milk with ice, dollop it on top, give that a little swirl with your straw, and enjoy the TikTok famous Dalgona Coffee. Let's now try the Dalgona Coffee. We're gonna take our straw, we're just going to stir that up, get that nice and mixed, try to combine our coffee and our milk mixture. Now, I've actually tried this one before. It was obviously a viral trend on TikTok, and of course I made it, so I'm optimistic about this one. Wow, most of the coffee's still on top, so it just has a little light coffee in the milk, so I actually kind of like it. Next up, Israeli iced coffee, not the iced coffee you're used to. You're gonna start off with your ice cubes. You're going to make these ice cubes, just make coffee, freeze them, bam, ice cubes, blend it up with your milk, and look at that, it is a slushy made of coffee. Israeli iced coffee, little fun story. If you go to Israel and you go to a coffee shop and you order an iced coffee, expecting to get the iced coffees you get here in America, you will get this, which is basically a coffee slushy. So let's give it a try. This is very coffee forward, so I don't think I'm gonna like it. I should have added some sweetener in here, which I think they might. It's just straight up coffee. It's Affogato time. Oh my God, I'm excited for this one. I mean, it's ice cream. So just pour yourself a beautiful 2 shots of espresso onto the little voice crack there. That's how excited I am. Onto your ice cream. Look at that. It is beautiful. Look at that. It is artwork. You stir it up. You have the cold ice cream, the hot espresso. It is delicious. Affogato time. Okay, I already know I like this one. I did this one for a video. My amazing culinary producers Rachel and Olivia taught me about this. It's right up my alley. I love ice cream. I don't necessarily love coffee, so I just drown my coffee in ice cream. Here we go. That's how to deal with your problem. Just drown it in ice cream. I think my go-to Affogato ratio of coffee to ice cream is 10 parts ice cream to 1 part coffee. Now it's time for chocolate with espresso. Yes, that's right, where you're making a mocha. It is equal parts espresso, steamed milk, milk foam, and chocolat. So just pour yourself a shot of espresso. Then into that, we're going to pour ourselves a little bit of chocolat, and then we are going to foam up our milk. Now, I'm not good at this. This is why we have baristas. This is why they're talented. You want about a 50-50. As you can tell right now, I got maybe a 90-10 if I'm lucky. But you know what? It'll hopefully still taste delicious. Let's find out. Well, my first attempt to make a mocha did not go quite as well as I thought. A lot of respect, well, voice crack, to baristas. It's an art. It's an art form. This is mocha-ish. I feel like it's a shame. It would be bad to call this an actual mocha. It'd be offensive. So this is not a real mocha. This is Eitan's attempt at a mocha. Let's just give it a try anyways. Well, I'm pretty sure this has about 1/5 of the amount of foam it's supposed to, but honestly, I kind of enjoyed it a little bit. The coffee and the chocolate, it's a good combination. My favorite coffee drink is actually a Starbucks mocha cookie frappuccino, which is chocolate and lots of sugar and a little hint of coffee. So kind of gives me a reminder of that, but I think the lesson from this one is mad respect to baristas out there. You are so talented. Let's make an Americano. This is an espresso that Italians made for Americans who just wanted coffee. It's literally just espresso pulled over some hot water, and that just accentuates and makes the perfect situation to have delicious and beautiful espresso crema. Not gonna lie, I don't eat this. Drink it. It's literally espresso with water. Oh my God. That is quite strong. Okay, here's the thing about espresso and coffee. I understand why people like it. It's like bananas. I know that bananas are good. I am the problem. Bananas are not the problem. I know that coffee is good. Majority of the world's population likes it. Eitan is a problem, but I do not like it. I want to add a large scoop of ice cream into this one, and then I will eat it. We're going easy. Instant coffee. Yes, that's right. Step 1, put it in the cup. Step 2, pour over hot water, stir, and enjoy. Over here now I have my instant coffee with no milk or cream or anything in there because I'm feeling crazy, and I just realized I now have to wait for this to cool so I don't burn my entire face off. Okay. Oh wow, I like that way less than even the Americano with the espresso. I don't like it. I'm going to attempt to now make it more like normal coffee, how people drink it, not straight. I'm gonna add a little bit of creamer right into the, oh, look at that, wow. Well, that's nice. We're taking our palate to Turkey with some Turkish coffee. You're going to grab yourself a jezve. Hopefully I'm saying that correct. It is a beautiful piece of equipment in the kitchen. And you're going to pour into there your water, get that nice and heated up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to add in our Turkish coffee into there. It is super, super finely ground. It is lightly roasted, and that we're roasting it again. Look at that foam, look at that foam. You do not want it to boil. You just want it to be nice and foam. The foam is the key, crucial part to Turkish coffee. Look at that beautiful foam, look at it. Pour in your Turkish coffee and enjoy this beautiful, delicious, hopefully, coffee. Well, it is delicious. It's just whether I find delicious. All right, let's now try Turkish coffee. This, again, is truly an art form, so I tried my best here, but I am happy with the foam that I got. This, I assume it's gonna be very strong, so I'm gonna try to appreciate the strongness and the artistry behind it. Quite strong. Honestly, it has a different flavor, though. It's kind of interesting. I've been informed that because I'm a novice to the coffee making art, I forgot to add the sugar. So I'm gonna add some over here. Now I've also been told the grounds are temperamental, so we don't want to disturb them, so we're gonna do a very gentle little stir. It definitely tastes like much more kind of robust, earthy. It is because, you know, with this one, you're actually kind of double roasting it. So really, by heating it up in here again, you're really bringing out a lot of those flavors again, and it's just like, it's more intense. Obviously, that's why it's served in a smaller little 3-ounce container, because it's pretty intense and concentrated. But I mean, the flavors, like I like the flavor more. It's intense, but I'm an intense man, so. Last up, Vietnamese iced coffee. We are grabbing ourselves our Phin, that is the Vietnamese coffee filter. We are then pouring in our Vietnamese coffee. We're gonna just tamp it down a little bit, pour in our hot water. It brews a very strong coffee, which is why sweetened condensed milk time. The sweetened condensed milk is super sweet, creamy. It balances out that really powerful flavor from the coffee. Stir it all up, and now it's time to give it a try. This looks really good. Let's give Vietnamese coffee a try. Now, you can drink it hot. You also can drink it straight without the sweetened condensed milk, but it's a very strong coffee, so the sweetened condensed milk, you know, it'll help my non-sophisticated coffee palate. So let's give this a try. This might be my favorite after Affogato. Wow. The Vietnamese know what's good with coffee. Wow. Stop what you're doing. Go to your local Vietnamese grocery, buy some Vietnamese coffee, brew yourself some Vietnamese coffee, put a ton of sweetened condensed milk with your ice. Next time, I'm craving a little energy, this is gonna be my go-to coffee. Wow. Do all the YouTube things. Subscribe, comment, let me know your favorite coffee. Do you like coffee? Do you not like coffee? And like, hit the bell notification, subscribe, all of those things. Follow on the socials. If you need me, I'm gonna be drinking this coffee. Something I never thought I would say. I would drink this for fun.
Yeah, that's why I drink it.
Wow. I'm scared to see how long I'm gonna be awake tonight. Wow. Oh yeah, I wrote a cookbook. Eitan Eats the World. Available pre-order now on eateatstheworld.com.